Thank you for visiting the Coin Series channel again. Who are you with? Your vote enter in the option community. We should talk about XRP right now. Monitoring the movement of capital is always a good idea, and the Ripple crew, particularly the CTO and Ripple Wells, have been leaking some fascinating news as of late. Finally, an interesting change is happening right now. Everything you ever wanted to know about money is explained in this video. Your subscriptions, notifications, and likes tell me that you all enjoy this type of content. For example, if you're bullish on Bitcoin, you probably want to know how the market is doing, so you hit the like button. With that out of the way, let's take a look at where the cryptocurrency industry stands right now. Bitcoin's value is $43,700 in a market worth $1.68 trillion. Will the market make a jubilant move now that it has just woken up? We know that, on average, Sundays are better than Saturdays. Can we even imagine a market that reaches $1.7 trillion by Christmas? With volume down and price down slightly from yesterday, XRP is likely still hovering around the 62 range. Always remember that weekends are the worst. In particular, there is no institutional support as Christmas Day draws near. The market capitalization is $33.5 billion, or $773 million, based on the volume. But many still don't understand XRP's current status. Is a move in the works? Will it be enough? When will it improve to the point where it was before? To be fair, XRP has its hands in quite a few different projects. Unveiling its layers reveals a plethora of intriguing information. Among the most striking aspects is that the strategy is announced by Ripple's chief legal officer before to their 2020 SEC complaint. Remember that XRP's progress with their ongoing collaboration with Paxos, their apologies, and everything else is still overshadowed by this lawsuit, which has lingered for a long time. Additionally, their legal fight with the SEC is still unresolved. This is really interesting, especially when we go back to 2020. Their principal legal officer, Stuart Older, acted as an expert witness for the SEC 3 years ago in exchange for not suing Reef CIV Ripple. Yes, you heard it right, the SEC is trying to negotiate XRP. Ignore the fact that you're probably thinking, well, kind of Texas, for the time being. Simply put, we will be able to tell when the SEC is intent on negotiating a settlement with Ripple. That is my opinion. In view of Ripple's past actions, I believe they now hold a tiny advantage in this court case. However, it does go on to assert that, as indicated in his statement and as reported by others, Ripple declined the offer due to two significant concerns. First of all, in their view, XRP does not constitute a security. The second point is that the SEC has been criticized for not going far enough in regulating digital currency. Remember this in 2020. Just what was going on prior to the enormous 2021 bull run? Why did they essentially toss it to us? After suggesting that Ripple's XRP be classified as a security, the main concept was that the SEC would give the cryptocurrency some market adjustment time. Getting out of it sooner might have been possible if they had continued to refuse to accept it. After all, the SEC seemed to be trying to blackmail XRP, but I don't understand how it works. That is not anything I'm asserting to be true. But it's inappropriate that they're treating Ripple as a security and arguing they can't afford to lose money in the market. It was announced by Ripple in November. They need to have reported last time in a totally different manner, going against the SEC. Because of this, we have a better idea of what the most recent settlement could entail and why there was no prior notice. Due to their rejection of the first statement, Rippling is likely to reject the second, too, even though the revisions would be in accordance with the SEC's provisions. If Ripples continue to insist on being classified as a security, they will never be able to access that market. As a result, I think it's worthwhile. Observing the movements of large sums of money is exciting because whales are buying. In most cases, they are exceptionally good at air trading or anticipating market trends. While prices have remained mostly flat, whales have amassed XRP to the tune of $223 million. So, this is the channel's primary focus. When the market is low on supplies, you should be scared, that is, make a profit and play your cards right. On the other hand, you need to be highly greedy when the market is anxious. For XRP, I think the same is true. The present situation of XRP is causing a lot of worry. A lot of people don't understand why it hasn't gone up by 10%. To my mind, these are the possibilities. I bought more XRP at 61 cents not long ago to be ready for the recent market move. Since the accumulation occurred at the same time as Ripple's, I am certain that the price of Ripple will skyrocket once an exchange-traded fund, ETF, is established by January 8. Those in authority have admitted that the SEC had previously offered to settle the issue. The fact that Ripple turned down the proposal shows that crypto whales are buying in bulk, since XRP doesn't meet the definition of a security. It's important to talk about, and I'll end by saying it again, be wary of what you absorb, because the XRP drops, murder mystery wallet activities, and purchases of some people could mislead you. Delisting of Fortune, be wary of what you hear, because Nance is supposedly planning to delist XRP. In fact, that is incorrect. He claims that the XRP community is now very suspicious due to a large transaction. The Bible Exchange received 20 million XRP, or around 12.1 million, from an anonymous wallet. However, it should be mentioned that XRP's market performance as of late has been quite average, with a small 40% increase to its present $6,159 selling price. Quite a drop. This tendency is reflected in the entire cryptocurrency market, not just market cap and the 24. Our volume fell 8.9% since we listed the XRP trading pair. Their spot market is more likely to be involved here, but it could happen on their futures market as well. Pay attention to the appearance. In the end, it's not just delisting, you can't purchase it. Furthermore, it is directly related to the British pound. Think about the shape that anything can take as well. Please proceed with great care while reading anything online. Not only is it absurd that you can't buy XRP on Nance, but there's more to it than that. Ultimately, XRP is just one of numerous spot trading pairs closely linked to the British pound. We can observe that the price action is currently 62 cents, just below that volume price indicator. It seems, nonetheless, that we are presently seeing an upward trend. A possible break above is indicated by 5 green candles on the 4-hour chart. We joined the rest of the Bitcoin market in rejecting this level when we retested it earlier today. However, Bitcoin's present position at 44 may suggest a positive gain. You would expect a push to the upside given the range here. I'm sorry, but we're expecting it to likely push up to that 65 region very, very soon. We've tested it 3 times. It is imperative that Mark be present. We are in dire need of a positive news trigger right now. Give Solana your full attention. I am pretty bullish despite the fact that some people are selling XRP due to this one, which is tapped and surpasses their huge move on Solana. Our plans for next year are just great, and the introduction of XRP continues to fill me with joy. But do tell me what you intend to do with XRP in the comments area nonetheless. Or have you already made additional purchases? I just wanted to make sure I understood. I am truly grateful for your ongoing fascination with the films. I, too, am utterly enthralled by them. Always remember to click the like button. Make sure you don't miss a thing in the world of cryptocurrencies by subscribing, commenting, or like this video. YouTube truly values user engagement. Catch you later, farewell.